In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a cash cow YouTube channel and getting paid $10,000 per month. If you're wondering if I can help you, take a look at some of the results on my personal cash cow channel. Yes, I believe I am doing well, and I have a lot of experience making cash cow channels. If you want to make a cash cow channel on YouTube, you need to follow all the steps, and the final step is much more important. If you don't do it correctly, you will face copyright issues. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing to discover new online income opportunities daily. The first step in creating a cash cow YouTube channel is to choose a niche. Some YouTube niches pay significantly more than others. For example, the video topic makes money online has a high CPM. This is due to the fact that advertisers are willing to pay more since the audience is interested in making money, which means they can sell them money-related products. The video topic prank, on the other hand, has a low CPM. This is because advertisers are not willing to pay a high price, since they cannot sell a large number of products to the audience who watches prank videos. So, when you first start out on YouTube, make sure you choose the appropriate niche. Today, we will look at a YouTube niche that is currently booming, luxury and lifestyle, which has a very high CPM and pays quite well per 1,000 views. This niche, in my opinion, pays $30 to $50 per 1,000 views. The reason for this is that advertisers may sell very high-ticket items to their target audience. Just look at the title of their video, Top 10 Highest Paid Actors in 2022, the most expensive yacht in the world, and the world's most expensive Airbnb, so Airbnb can show their ads in that video. Almost all of these videos are incredibly advertiser-friendly, which is why they may earn you thousands or even millions of dollars every year. I'll reveal the channel name later, but for now, you can see that it gained 496,000 views in the last 30 days. Now, if I calculate the estimated earnings for this channel this month, I multiplied 496 with a minimum CPM of $30. It nearly made $15,000 this month with YouTube AdSense only. If you build a cash cow channel like this, it will give you this much purely passive income each month. Now that our niche is chosen, we need to proceed to the second step, which is finding the right topic to make videos on. This is the most important step, because if you choose the wrong video topic, then your video doesn't get views, and you can't grow your YouTube channel. You can get your video topic from this channel. However, you must first install the VidIQ Chrome extension. You will get the extension from this website. VidIQ helps YouTube creators in discovering topics and keywords for their videos, which helps in video ranking. However, this is a paid tool, but the cost is not extremely expensive, as shown below. I use their Pro features, which cost me $7.50 per month, and I recommend that you get its Pro version. I'll include a link to it in the pinned comments. However, for the time being, you must install its Chrome extension. Once installed, you will see a trending tab right here. This will show you the trending videos on this channel that have the most views per hour and when they were uploaded. Here's how I'd use this tool. I'd look for videos that were uploaded a while ago, but are still receiving a lot of views per hour. For example, this video, The Most Expensive House in the World, was uploaded 4 years ago, and is still receiving 37.5 views per hour and making money for them every hour. That means these are the videos that people want to see, and they are evergreen content that has done well over time. Even though they were uploaded perhaps a long time ago, but still according to my experience these topics will work best on YouTube. However, if you use the free version, VidIQ may not show you as many trending videos. Because I'm utilizing its Pro, it shows me. That is why I recommend purchasing the Pro version. You can choose your video topic from among these videos. For now, I want to make a video on this topic, the most expensive luxury watch brands. The third step is to write a script for our video. For writing a script, you can search for this topic on Google, and Google will provide you with a list of the top 10 most costly luxury watch brands. Simply open 2 or 3 blog articles that relate to your topic, and believe me, these blog articles are well written and incredibly informative, which is why they rank on Google. Now you need to create a compilation script, which means you should take different paragraphs from different blog articles and combine them to make a new script. Assume we want this paragraph. Don't just copy and paste the same article, because by doing so, you may face copyright issues. You must copy the paragraph and then go to a website called Spinbot. Spinbot is one of the best articles rewriting online tools used to rewrite your article using AI. Simply paste the article and click on Basic Spin, and the paragraph will be rewritten. As you can see, it alters the sentences over here. Now you must copy the text and spin it one more so that this tool completely transforms it and makes it unique. The paragraph can then be copied and pasted into a document. By following the same way, you need to write the video script. But before talking about the top 10 watches, you need to add an intro that hooks the viewers. For writing a video intro, you may notice how this channel's videos hook the viewers using their intro. And you need to write something similar as these hooks are proven. Once your script is ready, then you need to proceed to the third step, voice over the article. For the voiceover of this script, you need to read this script professionally using a good quality microphone. If you have a problem recording voiceover yourself, I will give you two options. One option is using a text-to-speech voice, which is not recommended. In some cases, you may face a monetization issue with text-to-speech voice. You can use Google's official text-to-speech voice, which seems better to me. Or you can use Fiverr.com to hire a voiceover artist at a cheap price, which is recommended. Search for voiceover artists on Fiverr.com, and more than 12,000 services are available. But we need to modify this search term by limiting the budget maximum of $5. Now, Fiverr will show you all of the services that are between $5. Now for this budget, we need to find the best services. That's why you should select top-rated and level 2 sellers as they are proven already. Now you can see all of these sellers have very good reviews, which tell us they are professional. Now you also need to select online sellers, because we want sellers that are currently active on Fiverr and we can discuss our project with them. Now, see, this freelancer provides YouTube voiceover. Simply open this service and then listen to all of their previous voice samples one by one. If these voice samples sound professional, you can contact them and discuss with them your project. If he is ready to provide you with a professional voiceover within this budget, simply hire them. And in this way, by spending $5, you will get a professional voiceover recording. Now comes the final step, video clip finding and editing, which is the most crucial part of making this type of cash cow channel. But before showing you how, if you feel you have gotten value so far, smash that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so that you won't miss any online money-making opportunities. Now I reveal the channel name, Mr. Luxury. Many people may have told you that you can only use stock footage to make videos like this, but that's not entirely true. I open a video of them and show you where they got the video footage from. You can see here, 2 buddy ads are running on this video. That means such cash cow channels definitely get monetized. They mentioned here where they got the video clip from. See, crediting Bill Gates means they take this clip from the Bill Gates YouTube channel. If I turn on the video, you will see now no video credit because they have used stock pictures here. See, this Elon Musk video is from the Skynamic channel. If I search for Skynamic on YouTube, see, this is the channel, and notice this is the video from which they collect the video clip. Now you might understand how they made their videos. No one on YouTube will reveal the secrets, and this is how they made their videos. Now you might think why these channels are not giving them copyright. The video clips they used here are 5 to 7 seconds long, which falls under YouTube's fair policy. If you want, you can read the policy from here. The challenge now is how we can create videos that are similar to theirs. I'll show you how, but first, go like this video for this type of useful information. So, there are 2 primary places to look for video clips: YouTube channels and royalty-free clips. When taking a video from a YouTube channel, make sure the video clip you use follows these guidelines. When using the video clip, you use 7 seconds or less. When using the video clip, the channel should be that of a big company. For example, Apple or Rolex. This is because big businesses rarely issue copyright strikes. Avoid taking video clips from small YouTubers, as they are most likely to submit strikes. Make sure the dimensions of the clip are not the same as the original video, which means you must resize the video clip before using it to avoid copyright detection. Once you have your video clips and audio, you must ensure that you can edit everything together. And, to be honest, editing isn't difficult. It only takes some time to learn, but once you do, it's extremely easy to edit such videos. I edited a demo video. Please comment below on how it looks. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 10 most expensive luxury watches in 2022. These watches literally cost millions of dollars and may raise your social status. I'll walk you through everything and teach you how to make a video similar to Mr. Luxury. You must now put this into action. You cannot earn money from YouTube without the implementation. Now, if you want to watch how to make money using YouTube Shorts, you can watch the videos shown on the screen. And if you do not subscribe yet, why you are waiting? It's free, but you will get new make money online ideas daily that can change your current finance. So, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I will catch you up in the next video.